You see this old couple, they didn't just win the lottery, they just saw their stock portfolio jump 18% in a single week. And no, they're not financial advisors, they're real users of StockFusionAI, the platform that's changing the way people invest in stocks forever, because today's market isn't like it was 20 years ago. It's fast, it's global, it's packed with opportunity and risk. The difference between growth and loss? It's not luck, it's how fast and how smart you move. That's exactly why we built StockFusionAI. It's a fully automated AI-powered trading assistant built for one goal: to make intelligent stock investing accessible to everyone. Whether you've never touched a trading app before or you've been investing for years, StockFusionAI gives you an edge, not with hype, not with guesswork, but with raw data, fast execution, and continuous machine learning. Let's take a closer look at what it actually does and why thousands of users are switching to it right now. 1. Built-in market analysis. StockFusionAI scans thousands of tickers in real time, from major indices to tech stocks, energy, healthcare, and more. It watches trends, identifies movement, and builds actionable insights based on price history, momentum, and pattern recognition. You don't need to spend your evening studying charts. The AI already did. 2nd, automated execution. See an opportunity, the system can act on it instantly. No missed windows, no emotional trading. You define the strategy. The AI sticks to it day or night. Buy low, sell high, repeat without the stress. 3. Personalized strategy engine. StockFusionAI isn't one size fits all. It learns how you trade, your tolerance for risk, your preferred sectors, your investment goals, and it adapts to match, giving you personalized suggestions and adjusting automatically over time. 4. Total visibility. You're never left in the dark. Track performance in real time. See what's happening, when, and why. Monitor your returns, trade history, and risk exposure from a single dashboard, whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet. 5. Safe, clean interface. No ads, no fluff, no endless tabs. StockFusionAI was designed to be as intuitive as it is powerful. From day one, you'll understand exactly what's happening without needing a background in finance. 6. Simulated demo mode. New to investing. Use demo mode to practice with virtual funds before trading for real. Get familiar with the interface. Test strategies. Learn risk-free. 7th fast setup. No headaches. It takes less than 3 minutes to get started. Just go to StockFusionAI.com, create your free account, and fund it with a minimum of €250. Once done, your AI starts working immediately, analyzing the market, watching opportunities, and executing on your behalf. No hidden fees, no middlemen, just your capital, working smarter than ever. 8. Military-grade security. Your money and data are protected with the highest level of encryption. 2-factor authentication, secured accounts. Everything is built with your privacy and safety in mind. But listen, a word of caution. StockFusionAI is gaining popularity fast, and with that success come the scammers. Do not use links from random emails, fake ads, or imitation websites. Only trust the official StockFusionAI website, link below. Once you're in, you're in control. The system adapts to you. You choose how aggressive or conservative you want to be, and the platform handles the rest. So the question is, do you want to keep guessing what to invest in? Or do you want a system that thinks 24/7 and acts in milliseconds? Thousands already made the choice. Now it's your turn. Click the link, create your account, and let StockFusionAI do the heavy lifting, so while you stay in full control of your future. StockFusionAI. Smart investing, simplified.